I can't remember it being this cold.
In February, Renee Lamb did not go anywhere without her motorized chair. 6 months later, she can't go anywhere at all. During the winter, she relied on her husband Jim to cook her meals. Late in this summer, she sips water through a straw. Her meals come in a feeding tube. Before the ALS descent picked up, Renee complained about a loss of feeling in her hands. Now, she wishes she could still hold up her Kindle or even her head without support.
What's your daily life like these days? What are you able to do?
Not a whole lot. I lost the use of my hands and arms. And what else, honey?
Just about everything except for what you're doing right now.
Yeah, I'm losing that too.
20 months after her diagnosis of ALS, Renee admits anger and frustration. She and Jim attended their son's wedding in April in Brooklyn, but then the slide began. A newly renovated bathroom does provide much needed room for bathing and care, but with her breathing down to 30% of normal and atrophy setting in, Renee is totally dependent.
It's devastating. It's absolutely devastating to see someone you love to diminish.
Guys!
Less than a year ago, the fall of 2013, this was Renee in an Ithaca College student documentary.
There's really nothing they can do. There's no treatment, there's no cure, there's nothing.
Now, speech requires much more effort, even as she offers advice for other families just learning what an ALS diagnosis really means.
Be prepared. Be ready to lose stuff, the ability to do things.
While tears come readily, Renee does muster a smile when asked about the Ice Bucket Challenge to benefit ALS.
It's amazing that it's gone so far. The New York Jets have done it. Jimmy Fallon. All them. It's good. At least the name of it's getting out.
We want people to understand that this is a real disease with real victims. And it doesn't just affect Renee and I, it affects our entire family.
The Lambs now rely on hospice for help with health aides, nursing care, and medication. Jim has left his job, committed to caring for his wife of 31 years.
He's a good helper. He's the best.
Jim's goal is now simple: keep Renee comfortable. They have stopped the doctor's visits. So much has come their way over those 6 months, including a sense of acceptance about the reality of ALS.